Are you introvert or extrovert?
I'm an extrovert.
What is your definition of extrovert?
Me. Extrovert ही है ना मैं.
Recently we saw you in that Lux ad.
Oh my god.
You know I was going to play a part in that ad.
क्यों नहीं किया?
Because they said it was with you, so I was like, fuck no. I don't want to see my husband's friend naked. in a bathtub. आपको क्या लगता है लड़कियां पैंट नीचे करके सुसु नहीं करती?
मेरे को कुछ भी नहीं लगता.
लड़कियां सुसु ही नहीं करती.
नहीं वो फाट होता है, लड़कियां फाट नहीं करती.
आप लड़के हो, आपको पता होना चाहिए आप क्या करते हो, आप नहीं करते हो. मुझे पूछ रहे हो आप.
This is podcast, not nude cast.
साक्षी मेरी पैंट्स का है.
I can't say that on national. It is
We
not
are each
national.
others.
It's a very local, not even television. Local GIF.
अभी हमें
Okay, would you rather sneeze sambar every time you lie or honk like a car when you're attracted to someone?
I used to do this at a point where they were all coming to me.
Saying ki stop it, please. बंद करो.
You're a porn artist.
And 2 cups.
You have to do in a Thai accent.
Okay,
you know
ready?
Thai accent?
How you do Thai
Yeah,
accent?
I will figure. I'll find out.
You went na recently. When you
Oh,
went?
that's how it is. You go and you learn.
You don't.
You just absorb the accent
You don't.
wherever you
Of
go.
course, what the fuck?
You don't?
Yeah. Welcome to Two Girls and Two Cats.
Sawadee. What happened? I have to say the whole. Oh, 2 caps. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now they sing in the end.
Yeah.
So ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Welcome to Two Girls and Two Cats. हम आपको
Sound
इंट्रोडक्शन
normal.
देंगे और इंट्रोडक्शन में मैं कुछ ऐसा बोल सकती हूँ पर आप वो फ्रेंड मत हो. ठीक है?
ये पहले भेजा करो ना.
नहीं पर क्यों ये थोड़ा सा हम थोड़ा लिखते हैं एक्चुअली. हाँ, this is different in the podcast. We write it actually. We are trying to be funny and all. So we.
But you
we
guys
did
are
some
funny.
jokes. We
We
don't
try.
know how to. You tell us if we did a good job or not. Okay?
But I am not a good
Hey,
yardstick.
fuck. Sorry.
Have you ever seen a stand-up comedian having a good sense of humor?
We're actually very quiet when they're not doing stand-up. You know? So
Yeah.
just shut the fuck up.
It's true, Pil. I want to talk
See,
more to you.
I told you in the beginning only कि आप इधर ही
Now
बात
it's
कर.
all coming together.
Today we have with us a comedian who reminds us of how far the Indian comedy scene has come and how far it still has to go.
He has inspired people to pursue their passion. Even though today all of them are jobless, it's okay. At least they pursued their passion.
After so many beautiful achievements, having 2 specials, क्या नाम है आपके specials का?
कल में उड़ेगा.
कल में उड़ेगा and
Rahul talks to people.
he is so successful but he is still the same truth.
You fucked it up.
I'll say it again. I'll say it again. You react like this only, okay?
But he did not react.
No, he did. Guys, shut up.
After
Focus.
this, कल में उड़ेगा Rahul talks.
After so many achievements and 2 beautiful specials called Kal Mein Udega and Rahul Talks to People, success still hasn't changed him. He is still the same top level truth.
That's true. That's true.
Please welcome the first Rahul, जिसका नाम आपने बिल्कुल नहीं सुना होगा. And this joke Bhavesh has written. I'm really sorry. I said no.
ये joke में हंसा मैं.
But I love this joke. Why?
That's
you
so-
don't have a sense of humor.
You don't have
Yeah,
confidence.
maybe. Rahul Subramanian.
हाँ.
You're onion, not
Yes.
Maniyam.
No.
What's the
What's the
difference? Maniams and manians.
We are better.
So today we are going to peel the onion
Wow.
layer
Nice.
by layer.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes.
How are you doing?
I'm doing very well. How are you doing?
Yeah, you look well rested, like you've done nothing for 10 fucking years.
Exactly. It's true. I've not done much for a lot of time, so I'm looking well rested.
अभी आपका कुछ आ रहा है ना स्पेशल वेशल?
हाँ, स्पेशल आ रहा है मेरा.
इंडिया में परफॉर्म करते हो या नहीं?
इंडिया में तो परफॉर्म कर रहा हूँ. इंडिया तो मेरी मातृभूमि है.
मातृभूमि.
या इंडिया में तो सबसे ज्यादा परफॉर्मेंस होता है.
पर who are you
सब
आपने
जगह
अभी तक?
मुंबई, दिल्ली, बैंगलोर, कैलकाटा, हैदराबाद, पुणे. You want
तो
me to
जैसे
keep
आप-
naming cities? I can keep going.
Where you staying?
Chembur.
Chembur. Nice area.
I'm born and brought up in Chembur.
Oh, that's
Actually, not born, but who cares? Brought up in Chembur,
Where were you born then?
Tamil Nadu.
Subramanian.
Oh, we couldn't tell. Yeah.
Do you speak Tamil?
Tamil? No, Tamil. Yes, I speak.
Tamil.
Yes, but my Tamil is not that great.
Can you say something for a Tamil?
No, but it's not that bad also.
Do we have
For your Tamil audience, வணக்கம் இந்த ஷோக்கு வந்து ஷோவை பார்க்கறதுக்காக ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நன்றி. ரொம்ப டேலண்டட் ரெண்டு பேரும்.
Why do I feel like he's giving us galis in Tamil?
No. He said that I'm very happy to be here. Yeah.
Oh, how do you know?
I have no idea.
No, I didn't say that, but I said thanks for watching this.
Basically,
and
we
they're
are-
very talented. because I use the word talented.
Acha, basically we have zero Tamil audience.
It's not that my pronunciation is the best.
But
that's
after
all.
you say something in Tamil, I might get some.
Just say Tam.
I have to tell you that she was. तो हम लोग set पे आए सुबह और हमारा set बहुत
There's
ही
no
बुरा
shame in admitting that I have been a fan, and I'm very happy that I run this podcast because I get a chance to meet people like you. And I mean, it's not awkward because if I meet you randomly, then I can't have a conversation with you. Know?
You
So
can.
now you are held hostage
Yeah.
here. So
Now what
That's
I
all.
tell him.
But it's very
Fuck
weird
you.
that she says that because even if you had run on the streets, run,
you would just talk.
you could you have a talking point, right?
But
because
she
I
can't
know.
run. What about that?
Yeah, that's a good point. Yeah, but say suppose we both are standing very close to each other by chance.
But I find
Might
those
well-
conversations very stupid. Hey, you know my husband. So what?
I don't put people on spot like that. But
You only put people on the spot in your stand-up. You're always putting people on the spot.
But
So
I've
this
stopped
would
it,
feel different.
Srishti, because I knew that you would say this. So and I have realized I have stopped doing crowd work. Long
But you
time.
uploaded yesterday.
I can upload old videos, no?
Why you stop crowd work? It's so much fun to watch.
Because I'm putting people on the spot and they're under pressure. It's not right.
Why?
Wow.
It's funny to other people, na?
Actually, I've run out of things to talk to people.
That's okay.
Yeah, I have no new angles and I got exhausted and I was like, bus. Early 23 was the last show. उसके बाद मैंने क्राउड वर्क किया नहीं बट मेरे पास इतना फुटेज है मैं अभी भी डालते रहता हूँ और लोगों को लगता है कि मैं अभी भी क्राउड वर्क करता हूँ एंड ये डिसेप्शन से मुझे क्या मिला कुछ नहीं मिला लेकिन
पर
मैं
मैं तो
करता
सोच रही
हूँ
थी कि मैं आऊंगी शो पे क्राउड वर्क होगा.
क्राउड वर्क नहीं होगा फ्री
और
टिकट मिल रहा है
crowd
आप तो आ
भी
जाओ वाओ ब्रूटल ये ब्रूटल
What did she say?
जो और क्राउड भी नहीं होगा ऐसे मेरी
मेरे को सर्वाइकल पेन है इसलिए मैं कर रही हूँ.
Every time we're writing for you, na, she's like, ये नहीं लिख सकते, ये बहुत stupid है. He's so high. ये नहीं लिख सकते.
Why are you
Srishti,
putting
why
me
are
on the
you-
spot? I don't know. She's just.
I'm a
what the
fan
fuck,
of Srishti.
man?
Srishti, the set is not red. You
Can
are.
you say that again louder? Zoom in.
अरे ये है ना चला आई एम अ फैन ऑफ सृष्टि
That's true. Yeah.
तो मिल गई
But tell us about your this. Recently, we saw you in that Lux ad.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh, that's not a reaction I want.
That was quite nice. You got naked for an ad that makes three of us actually. You did
But
it on
you
screen.
did it on screen. Yeah, we didn't do it.
Yeah.
You do, or do you do things off screen for advertisements?
But women have to get naked.
We know our place. It's in the bathtub. Naked.
Not anymore. I am there now, so it's fine.
But
Yeah, that Laksa was cool.
You had fun?
I had fun.
yeah, you took bath and all in front of the camera. And all.
Yeah, but I can't reveal much.
Oh, it's still.
No, because it's the idea is like you don't reveal much yet you reveal. Like,
He has-
I'm
he
talking
was-
about the ad.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
the
You're the-
mystery.
Oh, okay, that was a joke or what?
Yeah,
Fuck,
that
shit.
was a joke which we didn't get. I'm telling you, stupid jokes.
No, because the joke was not good.
Okay.
Stop.
Is this how you do your test before you?
There
do
is
a
no
stand-up?
test.
You don't have a focus group. Focus group कहते हैं ना?
Focus group discussion.
फिल्म में तो focus group कहते हैं.
FGD. Focus group
हाँ,
discussion.
हाँ.
मुझे पता है because I'm also ex MBA brand manager, right?
Yeah,
तो हम लोग तब
corporate.
करते थे सब.
She also worked
I
at
was
TCS.
also. I also was.
आप TCS में काम करते थे, इसलिए आपका शक्ल देखा लग रहा है. कौन से
पता है,
डिपार्टमेंट?
इतना बड़ा TCS से मेरा.
TCS डूब रहा है पता है ना तुम्हें?
हाँ, ठीक
IT
है,
कंपनीज डूब रहे हैं.
हम कॉर्पोरेट लोग जब बात करते थे बीच में नहीं बोलते.
हाँ. और मैं TCS से था भी नहीं.
हाँ, तुम्हें कॉर्पोरेट की स्पेलिंग पता है? हाँ, तुम साइड पे स्पेलिंग याद कर. तो आपने इंजीनियरिंग करी है क्या?
इंजीनियरिंग किया फिर MBA किया.
मैंने इंजीनियरिंग करके बस MBA करते करते रुक गई.
क्यों क्या हो गया?
मैंने कहा ये करना ही नहीं जब तो फिर MBA करके क्या करना.
अच्छा.
फिर मैं चली
Fair.
गई. हाँ.
Then you became an actor. And then फिर दुनिया की कोई ताकत आपको रोक नहीं पा रही.
नहीं, दुनिया की कोई ताकत मुझे काम नहीं दिला पा रही.
But what is it about engineers that why do engineers become actors or come into this?
Engineers become a lot
सारे-
of things.
नहीं
One
पर
of them
यार
is-
सबसे ज्यादा एक्टर्स जिनको मैं जानती हूँ इंडस्ट्री में सब इंजीनियरिंग करके आए
कुछ भी
हैं.
बोल रहे. शाहरुख खान इंजीनियर है.
उसको वो जानती नहीं है.
मैं जानती नहीं.
तो आपको ज्यादा लोगों को जानना चाहिए. ये तो
हमारे कितने लोग आए हैं हमारे पॉडकास्ट पे जो इंजीनियरिंग करके एक्टर बने. अमोल पराशर.
हाँ.
फिर कौन सा था?
IIT अमोल.
Yeah, he was some
आप भी IIT
rank
हो?
257 or
Thank God.
something.
That's a great rank.
Fucking
आपने
shit.
कहाँ से करी है engineering?
विवेकानंद.
Besit.
चेंबूर.
Ah.
Hey, how do you know?
I did research.
Oh, research. I thought you're from.
I'm telling you,
No,
she's
no.
a fan. She knows everything about you.
These
she knows
fans don't know all these things.
I wanted to say that it was very triggering to see you in the bathtub because my uncle died in a bathtub. And it was still the second worst thing.
Is
I
this a
have-
true story?
Yeah.
But good things have also happened in bathtub.
Like?
Just to say, like Archimedes.
What is that?
Okay.
Archimedes principle.
I don't know. No, it's a corporate
क्या
thing.
पढ़ा है
Huh?
मैंने?
पता नहीं कुछ पढ़ा ही तो नहीं है.
What is Archimedes?
Buoyancy.
Chlamydia.
Chlamydia.
Buoyancy नहीं पता?
Buoyancy something is to do with the ship.
No.
It's
Buoyancy.
the bounciness of the ship.
Buoyancy and girlancy.
Bouncy.
Together they are.
But it is something to do with ship, na?
Actually मुझे भी नहीं पता. मैं बहुत सारा चीजें ऐसे बोलता हूँ by just
You just say
accessing
a
some
word.
past memory.
Guys, you just made me
हाँ
think.
डेंसिटी वाला मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ सब कुछ जानने की जरूरत नहीं है
That's-
थोड़ा बहुत आसपास जानने की जरूरत है एंड क्लेम ही नहीं करना कि हम इंटेलिजेंट है ताकि देन यू लाइक ये तो गलत है हाँ मैं तो हूँ ही डम
पर आपने कितना कॉर्पोरेट में काम किया ना, इतना कॉर्पोरेट में काम किया कि बेडशीट नहीं स्प्रेडशीट पे
लेट्स कैन यू टेक इट वंस अगेन प्लीज कैन यू टेक इट वंस अगेन
एक जोक लिखा था आपने.
ये लिखा हुआ जोक है
उसने fuck कर दिया.
ये लिखा हुआ जोक है
मैं नर्वस.
ये भी भावे से लिखा है.
एक सेकंड, रीटेक. एक सेकंड.
एक मिनट
पर इन्होंने कितना कॉर्पोरेट में काम किया कितना कि ये बेडशीट नहीं स्प्रेडशीट पे स्प्रेडशीट
दिस इज सो गुड
स्प्रेडशीट
आपने यू एक्चुअली केम अप विद दिस स्पॉन्टेनियसली
Do you know I was going to play a part in that ad?
कौन सा वाला
The assistant director or whatever. There was the
क्यों नहीं
only
किया?
other actor.
क्यों नहीं किया
Because they said it was with you, so I was like, fuck no, man.
टाइट है ना
I don't want to see my husband's friend naked in a bathtub.
ये
How you and Bhavish met वैसे by the way?
इट वाज रेनिंग
हाँ.
हाँ
And
it was raining
His
and
button is slowly opening, you know.
slowly only
no, I want to hear.
I've been trying to like breathe heavily for such a long time still I met Bhavish he was writing for a show that I was part of
अच्छा.
and
Which show was this?
it's a Netflix show
He's on Netflix.
he was writing
You are on Netflix.
obvio
Obvio.
Come on.
My God.
He told me to say that the only
Don't stress
special you
over it.
have released is on Kumar Varun's face, apparently.
nice
Nice.
What has he?
hey why can't you deliver your jokes with more confidence
Rahul, is it true that the only special you have released is on
this is
Kumar
not
Varun's
this
face?
is anger there is something between anger and confidence
Try
like,
again. Take 3.
like nonchalant
Rahul, is it true that the only special you have released is on Kumar Varun's face?
That wow, brutal. This is nice. So this is. Please go for this.
Hey, teach us na how to like.
Yeah,
deliver
teach us.
jokes.
I don't know how to do stand up.
Yeah, like little tippany. If I want to start doing stand.
You though I think you are more like you speak the way you speak. You don't have a character voice. She has a character voice.
I could have a.
She does a character voice every time she has to say like the one that you did before. It's
Yeah.
your character voice, right?
I didn't know. Now that you're saying.
So when you are trying to quote a fictitious or you go into that character, right? You will go.
Yeah.
अभी जो
She
क्या?
can.
Do
do
I don't know.
characters.
Yeah.
She's
She
a
can do
little
characters.
like. She's a little.
So that's a good thing.
I also do that. So that's a thing. Good bad कौन जानता है?
When
ठीक
I
है?
feel like the joke is not funny enough, I make it funny. That
हाँ
is the
बट वो
problem.
तो स्टैंड अप में तो वो तो बहुत नॉर्मल है जोक नॉट फनी होना तो बहुत नॉर्मल है क्योंकि काफी बार होता है ऑल्सो जोक्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ 2 people इज वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम जोक्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ एन ऑडियंस
Yeah,
तो यू
that's
माइट हैव द बेस्ट स्टैंड अप स्क्रिप्ट एंड यू माइट डू इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर like I have shared jokes in front of my wife and she has not laughed at all and then almost like dismissing it.
Yeah.
Not just my wife, other people also, other people's wives
पर मैं
also.
यही तो आपसे पूछ रही थी।
They've all and then you go and do it on stage.
ये तो मैं पूछी थी that before you go on stage with a new script, you perform for like your family, friends or whatever. How do you
Never
test
trust
the joke?
family, guys. First of all,
Yeah.
there's one thing: never trust family.
So how do you test your joke?
You do it in front of the audience with a small set. Open mic करते हैं जिसमें 3-4 मिनट का सेट होता है.
लेकिन एक लेवल के बाद फिर ओपन माइक्स नहीं करते हैं।
कौन बोला ये?
ऐसा नहीं होता।
बहुत ही ग्राउंडिंग प्रोफेशन है हमारा.
करते रहना पड़ता है जैसे वर्कशॉप एक्टर्स को
This is
करते
the
रहना
character
पड़ता है
I was talking about. This is the character voice. Yeah.
This is her only.
Which is very good. Okay,
Okay.
Srishti.
करते रहना पड़ता है
I mean, who's the biggest comedian in India according to you guys? Because I know
मुझे
to take
सिर्फ
a
बाहर
name
वाले
and
पता है।
India का होता हो. बाहर वाले
राहुल?
पता है.
मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि या इट्स राहुल
It's you can't say Rahul.
राहुल
Okay, it's not Rahul. आगे.
जाकिर खान
हाँ, Zakir, for
I'm
example.
guessing.
Zakir does
I
open
don't know.
mics. Zakir, I'm sure, goes on open mics and does spots. Veer Das does.
but nobody knows that they're going to be there.
Open mics में you would not know because
वैसे
when they're
surprise
testing
आ जाता है।
material, हाँ, वो जाते करते हैं. But they also then do trial shows, which is like 20-25 लोग के साथ. 50 लोग के साथ.
कितना मजा आता होगा ना ये ट्रायल शोज में।
Trial
कुछ
shows
सीखने
में
को
मजा
मिलता
आता है।
होगा कि जोक मतलब लैंड क्या या क्या करना
पर
है।
तुम अपने सोशल मीडिया पे जोक्स ट्राई करते रहते हो ना
हाँ, वो भी
आप
कभी
लिखते हो अपने जोक सोशल
नहीं।
मीडिया पे क्या है मेरे को? हाँ
मतलब लिखते हो मेरे स्टैंड अप के लिए नहीं लिखता पॉइंटर्स
ऐसे
लेके
ही
जाता
पॉइंटर्स।
हाँ पॉइंटर्स लेके जाता हूँ
ये आइडिया कहाँ से आया?
यही तरीका मेरे को आता है करने को मैं लिख नहीं पाऊंगा
आप बोल नहीं सकते, ऐसे वीडियो रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर सकते, कोई प्रॉब्लम है?
मतलब वो
शक्ल तो अच्छी है आपकी।
पर आपका जो
रुको ना 2 मिनट, लेट मी
आपका जो
enjoy it.
Mask in that
but your
confidence.
underconfidence makes you little like you
I'm
know,
not
you're like
underconfident.
you're like a you're like a living room, like very beautiful living room with the white lights on.
I love white lights.
Yeah, I can
हाँ.
tell. Yeah.
You can tell. I love white lights. White walls, white lights.
Vegetarian who likes white lights. My God,
Hospital
you're so
light.
typical.
That's too white.
That's too white. अच्छा।
Yeah.
हाँ.
So that's the standard process of the open mic करो. Try smaller sets and then एक बार तुम्हारे पास decent amount of sets हो गया. That's what then you will do a trial show, which I did last.
So how many years have you been doing this for?
2014 में पहला open mic किया था मैंने.
That time you were still in your job.
Yeah. 2016 तक मैं जॉब के साथ ही था.
ऐसे weekend पे open mic.
नहीं वीकेंड वीकडे भी.
और फिर आपको लगा 2016 में ये तो मेरी कॉलिंग है, मैं तो बहुत फनी हूँ।
नहीं, मुझे ये पक्का पता चल गया कि ब्रांड मैनेजमेंट मेरा कॉलिंग है ही नहीं, इनफैक्ट शूइंग अवे है, जो भी ऑपोजिट ऑफ
बहुत
कॉलिंग.
irritating.
सो आई कुडंट सर्वाइव दैट जॉब and I also started enjoying this, so it became more than a hobby at some point of time.
But you were earning a lot that time.
I was earning quite well because brand managers in India are overpaid executives, तो मैं पैसे कमा रहा था
Also
बहुत.
engineer MBA मतलब combination भी है।
हाँ,
पढ़ा-
बट ऐसा नहीं above average नहीं था, मतलब 30 ये था, but I was earning well, but suddenly then I stopped earning.
कभी मिस होता है?
तभी तो मेरी फटी थी, but my wife's also all of that, so
ओ तो एक तो है घर में।
but suddenly वो 2x हो गया था ना.
फिर भी एक्स तो था ना।
X तो था,
तुम भी अपने बीवी के पैसों पे पल रहे हो.
पल रहा था,
Not anymore.
but वो you should never forget who were there for you when no one was there for you. Objects in front of the mirror appear to be closer than all these are very important learnings.
Yeah. Yeah.
It feels like you guys look like very good listeners. I can
I
actually,
am a very good listener.
Are you introvert or extrovert?
I'm an extrovert.
What is your definition of extrovert?
Me. Extrovert. Extrovert ही है ना मैं किसी से भी कभी भी बात करता हूँ.
आपको क्या लगता है मैं extrovert हूँ या introvert?
आप हो extrovert. लेकिन that is a problem. लगते हो आप लेकिन आप नहीं हो.
और मैं?
आप तो extrovert हो. Introvert लोग ऐसे पॉडकास्ट नहीं बनाते. Introvert लोग
That is a very not nuanced understanding of
ये है ना
introversion.
इंट्रोवर्ट।
देखा वापस आ गया इसका कैरेक्टर. ये कैरेक्टर
But yeah, like, this is not the same character as the last one.
But imagine how many.
आपके मन में अलग अलग आवाज सुनाई दे रहे हैं,
अरे
but हमको
imagine how
सिर्फ एक ही.
entertained Bhavish is all the time.
भावेश तो
मतलब
not.
different characters, different nights.
he has told me so many times.
He has told you?
That my wife's so entertaining, yeah. That's what he's told you. What is he fucking
He's told me many times.
What?
What? That I
Hello,
can't share.
Rahul, यार मेरी wife क्या entertain करती है bro.
Rahul, she plays characters. Characters.
Hi Rahul, hi. Yeah, she's entertaining me as we speak.
Let's just say that let's just say that some people are characterless. You are not.
Why are you pointing at me?
I didn't point at you. Oh, this is not point.
तो तुमने
He's like, some people are
I was
characterless.
telling you
some
shorts
people are-
मत पहनो, ये वेजिटेरियन है, व्हाइट लाइट इसको पसंद है, ये उस तरह का आदमी है.
हाँ.
शॉर्ट्स मत पहनो तुम.
साक्षी, मेरी पैंट्स का है।
उसके पास क्यों है तुम्हारे पैंट्स?
Dress for the job you want.
But मैंने guess सही किया ना. I looked at him and I said he's a vegetarian.
Yeah, this is podcast, not nude cast.
एक मिनट.
I thought he did Lux ad यार.
Good one. You are like in your
Thank
own
you.
track. She is on her own track. बाद में आप जोड़ देना इसको अलग अलग करके. But ये सही है. हाँ, आपने guess नहीं किया है वो सर. First of all, I said anything vegetarian to Sakshi. Then she said मुझे पता था. That is not guessing. ऐसे मुझे पता था इंडिया जीतेगा. इंडिया जीतेगा तो बोलने को ये नहीं बोलते, forecast बोलते हैं.
मैं तो अपना सारा काम विराट से ऐसे ही कराती हूँ। उससे बुलवा के तरह से मुझे पता था।
Viraf is her husband just.
वो मैंने I figured it out.
Yeah.
He's my dog.
2+2 कर दिया मैंने. हाँ. And you are his. Oops.
Oopsie.
Oops, I can't say that on national. This is
We
not
are each
national.
others.
It's very local, not even television.
We're not even television.
Local GIF.
अभी हमें कोई- But I have a question for you because अभी
Finally.
नहीं,
Some-
because everything is now online and
This is like my mom and dad talking to me.
आजकल AI now has taken over the world.
Yes, everything is online. Then why are we offline? What's the point?
Why is Rahul
No,
not
no.
so much on social media? She want to ask.
yeah, like what is the strategy of not following people and
Oh, it's just
Is it arrogance or is it like
I mean, different people can call it different things.
what will happen if you follow them?
Nothing will happen. That's why there's no point. Yeah.
That is the smart
Instagram में नहीं spend करना है मुझे इतना टाइम. फिर भी इसके बाद भी I end up spending so much time.
तुमको ऐसे बोलते नहीं है लोग कि इतना कुछ पैसे कमा सकते हो आप इंस्टाग्राम से, इतना सारा अपॉर्चुनिटी है अभी.
हमको इंस्टाग्राम के लिए नहीं बोलते ब्रो, हमको ओनली फैंस के लिए बोलते हैं. वो अलग
I thought
उसमें
same
हमारे
thing.
पैसे मिस होंगे ना अगर हम नहीं होंगे उस पे तो.
Opportunity cost is there.
Yeah.
Do you think somebody who does cringe intentionally
Is funny.
is intelligent?
Yes.
Thank you.
I think it also.
No, we are not being.
Okay, so in stand up में भी मतलब ये I shouldn't say ऐसा है because मुझे नहीं पता बाकी लोग का thoughts क्या. मुझे ऐसा लगता है people who make silly jokes, ठीक है, they are generally intelligent people who make silly jokes, and that's why it is funny.
That's why it's funny.
And yeah, and acting silly on stage. Like Brian Regan is one of my favorite comedians. If you see him on stage, his jokes are very intelligent, but the character feels very silly. And
That's why
thereby
the
lies
contrast works.
you need to be intelligent to make silly jokes, I feel.
Tell
Very
about
good music.
Kumar Varun and your relationship. Like you'll run a YouTube channel together, right?
Random Chicky Bum.
Yeah,
yes.
random.
But it's been a long time since we posted anything.
Why?
Why y'all are not talking?
Are you fighting?
No,
Tell na.
we're very lazy.
That I agree with.
Yeah,
I
we
know
actually
how you
hang
are
out a lot, but we are like करते हैं कुछ करते
But
हैं.
when y'all started, what did y'all want to do?
Give
with
him
it?
another big cushion.
When we started, we were doing a lot of sketches on it.
Okay.
YouTube sketches, which we used to love. In fact, that's how we started. Random Chicky Bum was the team name for our entry into this YouTube sketch competition called Comedy Hunt. Which was done by YouTube and judged by all these popular stand-up comedians.
You guys are very interesting, yeah, together.
That's one of the most awkward statements I've heard with regards to Varun, and
Yeah.
you guys will be more. Yeah, we are generally very interesting. When we meet, we are always really interesting. We are. No, this is like one of those flight में बोलते हैं, पता है ये, which
Flight
okay,
में
I think you guys will relate to it.
हम
because
फ्लाइट में बैठे हैं, ठीक है, हमें पता हो.
वो वाला बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ
हम
मैं कि
what?
He said flight में and then he looked at us. He's like,
I
Because-
guess you guys will relate.
because I think your sense of humor is similar to
To
mine.
flight?
To mine. Let me,
हाँ, say ना.
so अब तो मैं नहीं बोलूँगा.
अच्छा, please say ना.
नहीं मैं anyway बोलना था.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
तो जब बोलते हैं ना, we have when especially Indigo when they land early, so pleased to announce that we have arrived before time.
हाँ.
Whenever they say that, I want them to look pleased. If they don't do, like the pilot has to go like this. If they don't, I'm like, you're lying. You have to be pleased. You can't be.
What do you think of the Indigo song?
What?
Take me desire.
Yeah.
Fire. All I want is touchdown.
Did you sing it?
All I want is... Yeah, that's what we do also.
How what do you think of that song?
No, I asked her. Because her voice sounded similar to.
I don't think that's a compliment at all. I'm actually sick. I have nasal problem right now. That's fine.
No, but that's talent. No, if you can sing in
I can also have
whatever the
different
brand
voices.
requires.
Yeah. So what do you think of that Indigo song? I really want to know.
It's not fun after a certain amount of flights.
Yeah.
Don't you feel like just strangulating that singer who has sung it?
नहीं इतना नहीं लगता. But it is not fun. I can imagine. The problem with Indigo is one more. उनका जो वॉशरूम होता है, Indigo का वॉशरूम, उसमें जो पानी होता है, वो जो टैप होता है, उसमें से पानी they have mixed water with air.
I like how you wash your hands after that. That's a good one.
She wouldn't
I've
know.
never used it, the tap.
No, but I don't understand why women have to wash their hands after.
That's what I'm
doing
saying. I've
sushi.
never used the tap, so I
Women
wouldn't know.
don't have to. Comments में
Every-
बताइए क्या women अपना हाथ धोती हैं कि नहीं?
जरूरत नहीं होती.
कुछ मत बताओ कमेंट्स में. आप लोगों को काम में लगा रहे. क्यों बताने का? आप क्यों बताने का कमेंट? आप मत बताओ
अरे
कमेंट्स
हमारी
में.
engagement बढ़ेगा ना?
ये ऐसे नहीं बढ़ेगा. सच्चाई की राह में चलो.
नहीं,
नहीं, but I
but-
have सच्ची not used the
आप
tap.
पैंट नीचे करते हो, सुसु करते हो, पैंट ऊपर.
देखो आप बहुत पर्सनल हो रहे हैं. बट हाँ,
तो आपको क्या लगता है लड़कियां पैंट नीचे करके सुसु नहीं करती?
मेरे को कुछ भी नहीं लगता. आपको इससे
आप
लगता है
सोचते ही नहीं, लड़कियां सुसु ही नहीं करती.
नहीं वो फाट होता है, लड़कियां फाट नहीं.
आप लड़के हो, आपको पता होना चाहिए आप क्या करते हो. आप नहीं करते हो. मुझे पूछ रहे हो आप.
ये अंकल है यार.
Let's
नहीं,
do the ChatGPT jokes that we wrote.
Oh yeah.
We have to
Okay,
tell
so I went on to ChatGPT and I
हाँ.
said, what jokes will Rahul Subramanian like? First I said Subramaniam, then it gave me other jokes. I said no, Subramanian. So then it gave me other
Respect
jokes.
ChatGPT.
Yeah.
ChatGPT.
Like, oh, you meant Subramanian? Okay, now different jokes. So
Yeah.
We can give you those, tell you those jokes, okay? Knock,
It's
knock.
on me. Oh no, they're just jokes.
Yeah.
Okay, who's
knock,
there?
knock. You have to say knock, knock
Sorry,
first. It
sorry.
doesn't start with who's there and then knock, knock. Do you ever say who's there and then the bell rings?
No, but I thought you were doing
That's
the
weird.
That
joke.
would be so cool.
No, I'm saying knock, knock.
Who's there?
Fucking with you. First, let me say again. Wait. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Interrupter.
Interrupter.
What are you doing?
Nice, nice.
Okay. टीचर ने पूछा.
ChatGPT.
पूछने तो दो.
No, I can't believe how accurate ChatGPT is. It knows me in and out. Like teacher ने पूछा is my favorite genre. Like
टीचर ने पूछा अगर तुम्हारे पास 10 चॉकलेट्स हैं और मैं 3 मांगती हूँ कितनी बची? तो मैंने कहा 10. टीचर ने कहा ये कैसे?
मैं नहीं दूंगी तुम्हें.
Hey, यार.
Seriously, अगर मुझे जोक पता है तो मुझे गेस करना है कि मुझे चुपचाप बैठा रहना है.
This is not a game.
अच्छा.
You can shut up.
Okay. That was good.
ये third.
ये timing कितना perfect.
I like how he's rating all your.
No.
ये
It's a thing. Like if you see an actor doing a bad job, then you'll relate. So
I know मैं समझता ही नहीं है इसको यार कुछ भी.
एक लड़के ने अपनी माँ को गिफ्ट दिया एक ब्रांडेड बैग. माँ ने कहा इतना पैसा कहाँ से आया? लड़के ने कुछ नहीं बोला. माँ ने पुराना बैग खोला चीजें ट्रांसफर करने के लिए. उसमें कुछ नहीं था.
Nice.
ये जोक नहीं है.
ये जो ये एक series of lines है. These are statements.
ऐसा हुआ फिर ऐसा हुआ फिर ऐसा.
ChatGPT ने बोला.
ChatGPT. मेरी वाइफ कहती है मैं सुनता नहीं या कुछ ऐसा ही बोला उसने पता नहीं.
My wife says I don't hear
I got it. पर ये बहुत पुराना जोक है ये तो.
Oh, it's a bad kid.
ये funny था
ChatGPT thinks that-
यार ये funny था.
What is the difference between Shah Rukh Khan in Mohabbatein and Mahatma Gandhi ji?
Quite a lot.
No, there is just one. According to the joke, there is just one.
But they,
If you know in the comments, let me know.
What is it?
What is the difference between Shah Rukh Khan in Mohabbatein and Mahatma Gandhi? One is a violinist, another is a non-violinist. Don't look at me as if I made the joke. And first of all, it's a very funny joke, but I don't deserve the credit for it. This is one. It's
Have
such a
you seen this
brilliant.
reel?
This is such a brilliant pun.
Have you seen this reel?
Which one?
Have you seen?
What is this? What is
you've
this?
not seen this.
I have to show you. You've not seen this?
What is this? What do I have to see? Which
अरे
part of
यार.
what you're doing? Like
Guys,
this?
राहुल को comments में बताओ कि ये क्या
ये
है.
क्या है यार? सेट ने उसके DM में भेजने वाली थी.
ये वाला?
हाँ.
You don't smile. He's doing this also like an uncle, yeah. Whose hands don't move. You have to do this.
Yeah.
It's fake la.
Yeah, nice. Do you know that apparently, as per research,
I'll tell you, Jamila.
हाँ.
Jamila, you know who Jamila is?
you have to say full name, na?
I don't remember her full name. Jamila.
If you say it, oh yeah, now he knows.
Jamila.
Jamila.
Of course.
said it. So
Yeah.
basically, she was talking about.
Who is Jamila? I mean, I obviously know, but for the audience,
She's an actor,
Hmm.
and she's also like this person who speaks a lot on gender and
She's on Instagram.
I mean in forums and
Okay.
Yeah. So she said that women are historically known to be rebels, and men are not because that is why. Oh my God, I'm saying it's all wrong, and it
But
shows
आराम
that it's
नहीं वापस करो आराम से बोलो ना.
But tell us about your special.
Please tell us. We really
You
want to know.
No, you don't want to know. It's okay.
Why is it called Who Are You?
Oh, that you have to see the special and then.
Fuck off, man.
नहीं उसके बाद भी you will don't know because I also don't know why it's called Who Are You. It's a very good special.
That though you'll say only, it's yours.
Say-
No,
Who
but
are
I am
you?
not the only one saying.
Who
By the way,
else
this
say?
special got nominated for the best, most
the most
outstanding.
special. Special.
Dude, this girl is something. It's got nominated for the most outstanding show last year at the Melbourne International Comedy Festival.
Damn,
Yeah,
Amongst
because your audience was
700
standing
other shows.
outside.
That's amazing.
Outstanding.
थोड़ा
Look who's talking. You cracked such bad jokes throughout the
I
episode.
cracked what you had written.
I didn't write that. How you said it.
Yeah.
You delivered badly.
So yeah, it's a
only
very
thing you
good,
delivered
it's a
well is
very
your
good
baby.
show.
I was nervous.
It's a very good show.
fumbled.
and it's coming out on YouTube. What is it about? It's about funny jokes.
When is it coming out on YouTube?
Hopefully March 1st.
But
week.
why is it on YouTube?
Because I didn't want to put it on Netflix and Amazon because
Oh, Netflix didn't want to put it on them.
They don't want to pay. We'll put your special.
Also.
on your YouTube channel.
Yeah.
That'd be so cool.
We'll put your special on our YouTube.
Yeah, but the reason I came on this podcast is because my special is going to come out, and I wanted to like get more eyeballs. And I was sifting through all the different podcasts out there, and I was like, which one can give me maximum
Balls we can give you.
Yeah, we have 80% male audience.
We have
Views.
maximum
I
balls.
wonder
watching.
why.
See this.
You remember the 10-second silence he does?
He does a 10-second silence.
Yeah, the audience does 2 hours of silence. in his
Afterwards. Very nice. Very. Can I please use it? Please, I'm dying to use your joke.
shows. I'll think about it. Ow!
So warm, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys really like
Okay,
this
let's
show.
I
the
love
game.
her. But I want to also one last joke I want to say. I thought it was hilarious. Nobody liked it.
ऐसे मत करना, सडनली बोलना ताकि डिलीवरी प्रॉपर हो, ठीक है?
Chalo, let's play the game, okay?
Okay.
It's a very intellectual would you rather.
Okay, would you rather sneeze sambar every time you lie or honk like a car when you're attracted to something? Think about it.
What? Let me get
Would
it.
you rather sneeze sambar?
What is sambar?
Sambar, Subramanian.
Sambar. Oh God,
Oh
sambar.
my God! Fuck off,
Sambar
man.
is
Stop
a-
telling
is
me.
an
Subramanian
animal.
doesn't know what sambar is. You
Because there is nothing called as sambar.
What is it?
Sambar.
Sambar.
Okay, fine. Would you rather?
Rasam. Sneeze rasam.
You don't have to do the accent. It's you can just say sambar and rasam.
Idli.
Would you
Idli.
rather sneeze sambar?
हाँ, sambar or
Every
honk.
time you lie or honk like a car every time you get attracted to someone.
Honk like a car.
How you honk?
Like those trucks in highway.
No.
Would you rather have one really long nipple or 6 tiny ones?
Would I rather have one really
Long nipple or
long,
one, or
Six
6
tiny
tiny ones.
6 tiny ones?
Why?
Because I can cover them up and no one will ever know. I will never strip in
No,
front
even
of
the
anyone
long
else.
one will fall downwards, so
Nahin.
nobody will ever know. But it'll be
Nahin.
one.
It will be uncomfortable. That.
What?
Srishti, why would anyone
Why?
want one long nipple?
Why?
They would all want 6 now.
No, actually, no one will want any of this.
Would you rather fight one horse-sized duck
Oh, I love this question.
or
Or-
50?
Huh. Duck-sized horses.
So predictable.
I will fight a horse-sized duck.
Why?
Because I can run out of the water and then it is there's nothing on
Hey,
me.
that's smart, huh?
Thanks, buddy.
See, I am a horse myself. So size will match. So one horse-sized duck, and I can also take. We can have a conversation.
That's a duck.
That's a duck. I used to do this at a pod where they were ducks. They would all come to me.
Saying ki stop it, please.
You're a pond artist.
Is this the one you were planning? This is so good. Huh?
Can you do that
I
once
can
more?
proudly
Do you
not
do
say-
that when you go down on Viraf also? That would be so funny.
It's a
Do
little
it once.
difficult in that moment. Would you rather a random auntie you've never met waves at you enthusiastically every single day from a different location? Or a man in a suit is always just leaving the building as you arrive and he nods at you like you both know.
He gave up. He gave up midway. He's like, I'm going to ask again. So let her keep talking
That is
and
so
just
true.
say.
That is-
Would you rather a random auntie you've never met waves at you enthusiastically every single day from a
Got
different
it.
location?
ये वाला
One.
समझ गया.
So one is a random auntie waves at you every day enthusiastically.
From a different location every day, okay?
ये समझ गया, guys.
Or a man in a suit is always just leaving the building as you arrive and he nods at you like you both know something.
Like that, like that.
Yeah, the man in the suit.
Yeah.
Because I want
No, but he's not doing it like that.
then that you just
No,
showed it.
that she didn't get it. It's like that.
It's like what? So what is the final thing? बताओ.
he knows something about you.
Oh, then I want the lady, random lady auntie.
It's so much fun if a random lady is just waving at
But
you.
Yeah.
but then what would it be? What is that one thing that you both
Yeah, this curiosity is what will
of the
make.
person who's watching them. No.
That is what will. That's the
So
high.
what if there's an auntie
हाँ.
who's watching you, the two of you,
हाँ.
and waving?
And उसको देखने के बाद will look at it.
Do you want to be that auntie? Is that why you're asking this?
Are you that auntie?
No, I want someone like that in my life.
This episode was so stupid. I love it.
हो गया?
Thank you, Rahul.
हो गया?
अभी क्या बात करें और
नहीं है आपके पास सवाल?
हमारे पास बहुत सवाल थे, but I
पूछो।
feel like
जल्दी करते हैं.
doesn't do justice to you.
अरे does justice to me.
You what do you want us to ask you? Tell us.
this is the first podcast that you never go to.
Where I can ask the questions that I can tell you.
Tell us what to ask you.
Okay. Ask me about how this experience was.
How this experience.
Interesting. It feels like I'm meeting Kumar Varun. It's very interesting. This is.
But I want to genuinely say now, jokes apart and everything, we are very, very
Broke.
grateful and
Oh.
overwhelmed that you are here with us today, and you have actually inspired us to be on stage.
Oh my God, he's going to commit suicide after this. I have inspired this.
Yeah, you
This
have
have
inspired us to be on stage. We want to go on stage, and you have inspired us to be on
when
stage.
you say you means you lot or you?
Us.
Bae.
When we've seen you, when we saw you on
हाँ.
stage,
ठीक है.
you inspired us to be on stage. 4 of Cancer.
This was the joke, na? This was the joke, na? Yeah. This was the joke.
यार ये जोक मेरे को थोड़ा लेट चमका तो इट्स नॉट.
Nice hour.
हाँ.
हाँ, हमको भी आपका वो वाला जोक लेट ही चमका था.
वो दो
Violence,
था ही
violence.
खराब. नहीं वो तो बहुत अच्छा.
No, no,
joke
no.
था.
वो बहुत
अच्छा
जल्दी
joke.
चमका और वो
खत्म हो गया चमक.
Then you guys behave like एकदम ही predictable uncles.
yeah.
Yeah. Which
But did
was
you
not-
enjoy talking to us?
Yes.
Gift, yeah.
No, this is just
One ball.
You guys have spoken. Oh my god.
That's a big fucking gift, man.
That
It's for
is-
your wife.
Oh my god.
Okay, wait.
Oh wow, this looks. What? Why don't we get this shit?
पता नहीं हमारे सारे
It's like
sponsors
a
हमें क्यों नहीं
fridge.
देते?
It is a fridge.
Guys, it's
It's a fridge.
It's a chunky ice cream as sent us this fridge.
It's a fridge.
Oh my
हाँ.
god.
You know, it's a proper fridge.
Oh my god, that's so
Yeah.
cute.
Ow. And you can open it. There is stuff in it also.
करो ना open.
Of course, it better have stuff in it. That's weird.
It's a
Oh my god, it is a fridge.
with nothing.
It's called Call Me. It's called Call Me Chunky Ice Cream.
So cool.
Can I show this to the camera?
Yes,
because
please,
this is
yes,
so
please.
cool.
You guys have sponsors.
We do.
We don't have sponsors. We only have gift sponsors.
पैसे भी
like
दो रे.
our- Chunky Ice Cream sponsor our episode. But this is so cool, na?
Yeah.
ये actual gift fridge है क्या?
You know that
Who are your favorite podcasters?
you guys.
Yay.
No, say honestly also.
You guys.
Okay. But why you're just holding this?
अरे for the
Yeah.
camera.
It's
No,
that.
Chunk-
I actually don't want to leave it. Can we end this episode?
This was a very fun podcast,
Huh.
and I think you should call me again.
That is so sweet. But I can't tell with you whether you're joking or you're serious.
Yeah.
That's a problem. Listen, this is very cool gift.
Thank you, buddy.
I'm happy for you.
I'm also happy. This is a very
Call
cool
me Chunky,
thing.
I'm happy for him.
Chunky marbles, sassy. Your
you-
fridge just got
Can
a
you
hole.
say like, share, subscribe?
Of
to
course
the
I can
video?
say.
Can you say?
Hey, thank you so much for having me. It was a pleasure being part of this podcast. And I know after coming in this podcast, the views for my special is going to go through the roof, all thanks to the immense popularity your podcast has. You both are so funny. And and please, if you're watching this and you're someone who likes my work and you trust my judgment, please like, share, and subscribe. Because this podcast is...
It's not a podcast.
This is just wow. And thank you so much for this wonderful gift. And
Like, share, subscribe तो बोल दो जो बोलना था.
अरे सांगितलं मी.
अच्छा, you said it.
And please like, share, and comment on this video and subscribe to their YouTube channel. And if you're a brand watching this, just watch.
Two girls and two guys. Two girls and two cups.
Tune in Monday to Friday, sometimes Sunday, and sometimes never.
Keep listening.